Okay, just another tip for small claims court. This is true of any court, but in small claims, it becomes more obvious and more needed as a reminder. And it's the idea of what's called service. So anytime you file a case in any kind of court, including small claims, you have to serve the other party a copy or a notice of what's been filed. Sometimes there might be other steps, like some kind of mediation process or online resolution before you're allowed to schedule some kind of a trial or a hearing. But no matter what, when we start it, at some point you need to give notice, and it's called service. So there's a couple of ways that this can be done. There's definitely companies that you can hire to do that. I do that a lot. Instead of trying to have my team go out and find people, I hire companies to do that. You can try to find just a random person over the age of 18 that's unrelated to the case and have them do it, but it becomes a problem when you do that, because the second part of service is you have to file what's called a proof of service or a certificate of service. And in small claims, a lot of times people are representing themselves, and this becomes a problem when you're not following those procedures. Even if you represent yourself in small claims or even in regular district court, you still have to follow the rules. Now, small claims generally has relaxed, more patient rules, but one of the biggest reasons why when I'm the judge in small claims we have to reschedule things is because the service was not done the right way. So you can't just simply email somebody, you can't just simply drop off a copy. There are rules that you have to follow, and depending on what it is you're trying to give them notice about, there are rules specific to each of those kinds. So, if you have questions, for sure you can reach out, but go to your court. You can Google your court and its local rules. Most places will have the rules of procedure. Just make sure if you're in small claims, you're looking at the small claims rules, because they are generally different.